Well, good morning again, everybody. Today I am going to go back to work on the Mustang a little bit. In the interim, I have went over, disassembled that 351 Windsor partly, gone to cruising the coast, which you should have already seen posted on the video or on my channel. So today I'm going to get back to actual work on the Mustang, so stick around. That's what I'm working on right now, getting that floor pan ready to go to put in. So hopefully today I can get that done. So there it is sitting in there. I guess I still got a lot of prep to do, but it's getting closer to going in. So I think I got to grind down my welds up there, finish welding it in before I can put this floor pan in, and then I am deciding whether to take the rest of it out or just leave that little bit in. I'm still deciding. So it's a little bit more work to take that last little piece out, get all the edges cleaned up. I think I might just leave that part in and then just have it lap over. I keep telling myself this is just a driver. It's an old 6-cylinder coupe. So as you can see, it fits, but I got a whole lot of extra on there. So I guess I'm gonna trim this down a wee bit. I just got to decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna trim down, since it fits in there. I think I'm gonna have to trim this rear quarter here, right there, and then trim down some of the side because I really don't need it that far up, and then some of the toe, the kick there. So I guess I will mark it up and see how much extra I have. All right, in the interim, I sanded this down, started painting it with zinc weld through, and I ran out, or the thing, I don't know. So I had to go back to the U-pole, put a little light dusting on here. Now I'm going to go in, clean up the rest of the area in the car, put some weld through primer on it, and then see if we can get this thing permanently installed. So in the interim, I have marked and drilled holes. Now I'm going to put it in and see if they all line up. All right, this is as far as I got today. I got it fitted. It's all in there nice and tight. All the holes are drilled. I just got to weld it in tomorrow morning first thing, and then I will be going over to the other side. Well, good morning. It's the second day of this putting the floor in. So just wanted to let you know, as I continue to do these, I'm trying to make them more interesting and trying to shorten what I show you. So please comment if this is acceptable or not. I appreciate it. All right, well, here we go. I've tried to get as much light on this as I possibly can. So before I show you the close-up, just remember I'm not a professional welder, if you can't guess. I'm just trying to make it sturdy as possible, and a driver. I keep repeating that, a driver. So here's what I got. All right, so that's what I got. I got a pan welded in. I got to clean it all up. I'm going to hit it with the flapper disc, and then anything I need to redo, I will redo. But since it's Sunday and I have a whole lot of other stuff to do, I am going to call it quits for today so I can take care of some chores. And next weekend will be the other side. So that is where I'm at with this. Thing I am starting to plan on is redoing the entire wiring harness. I got this from Speedway Motors 2 years ago for the station wagon, and I never use it. So it's brand new, but 2 years old. And it's a 22 circuit, which is more than enough for this thing. So we will be getting into that eventually. So I can only do one thing at a time, but I remembered I had this. I knew that I had to redo the wiring, put two and two together, and bam. So there you have it, another weekend of fun and excitement in the Mustang land. Thanks for all the support. I really appreciate it. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please comment, please dislike, please share, do all that stuff. And I really appreciate it. So thanks for the support and have a great weekend.